Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by placing the image precisely where it needs to go. Open your document and position the cursor at the intended location. Next, select the image file type you prepared. PNG or JPEG are the most reliable, and use Insert Picture or simply drag and drop the file into the document. Once done, make sure the file has loaded fully. This avoids low-resolution previews. If prompted, choose to embed or link the file based on whether you'll update the source later. Now refine how the image sits within your content. Resize using the corner handles and hold Shift to preserve the aspect ratio so the image doesn't skew. Then choose text wrapping. Inline keeps it part of a paragraph, while square or tight lets text flow around the image. Behind or in front changes layering. Once you've picked wrapping, use alignment tools or exact margin values to nudge the image into place. Make sure to preview different sizes and wrapping to maintain readability and visual balance. Finish by optimizing and verifying. Compress the image if the document becomes large, and always add concise alt text so others can understand the content. Save a copy to preserve your changes, and once done, scan the document in print or preview mode to confirm layout consistency. If the picture doesn't appear or shows a broken link, relink to the original file or reinsert it. If using linked images, ensure the source path hasn't changed. One key tip: restart the app if rendering errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.